And this is the two-sided UV LED light, and it's a UV light for resin. And this is what comes in the box. You have a USB Type A to USB Type C charging cable, little charging power supply. You have an instruction manual, little thank you card, and it tells you, what to do if you're not happy on the other side. You just, notify them, let them know, and they'll rectify it for you. You have this little sheet that separates the two halves, or fits in between them, I should say. There's a film over either side that has to be removed before usage, and we have the unit itself. So it's quite an impressive looking unit. You've got the USB Type C power supply on either side, and you've got an on-off button here, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and it separates. It's magnetic, look at that, brilliant. And this piece just simply fits in the middle here, and you put this over the top, and of course you put your resin pieces on top of this, and you'll get the UV light from either side, and it'll cure the resin a lot faster. So I'll be looking forward to testing it out shortly, and we'll put a little bit in there and see what we can do with it, see if this thing works. And we just pull off the protective film. There's one of these on either side, and we're ready to go, as they say. And we're popping the two pieces together, turning it on, and as you can see, we've got 120 seconds in there, and both sides are lit up. So it doesn't matter which way you put the power supply in, it will activate both, which is great. Now I've just put a bit of this paper over a bit of clear UV resin. Now of course it would be very hard to set it normally, so this is a perfect test. And that's the little cabochon sitting in there, and we'll come back and check it out once it's cured. Now the timer's up, and let's have a look. Oh, still a bit on the warm side. And there's the final result. I decided I'd put a bit of black on the back of it, and adding a little bit of black has changed the colour dramatically.